changing row and column sizes. Even if we have already done it, I want to make sure that each and every one of you understand. So first of all, let's change the size of the row. Let's say you want to change the size of row 4. The method is to hover your mouse to the bottom of the row, the bottom line of the row, click and left click and hold your mouse there, and then drag it down to increase the row size, or drag it up to decrease the row size. Once you are satisfied with the row size, you have to leave the left click so that the size is adjusted. Remember, you have to go to the bottom line of the row you want to adjust size of. The similar is true for column. uh, the column you want to change size, go over to the column name, just as we did go over to the row number, go to the right end of the column, not the left end, and hover your mouse on the right end line of the column until you see this kind of pointer. Once the pointer change is appearing on your screen, I want you to left click on the border and hold it. Now you can drag it. The pixel size is shown, that is, you can adjust the column width. If you want to increase it, drag it towards right. If you want to decrease it, drag it towards left. Once you are satisfied with the width, leave the left click. Cool. Now we can change the size of columns and rows as well.